So I do a job and I get 3-4 grand for it after 3-4 days. And I was like, I've just clocked the system here. I don't want to be employed. I want to be self-employed. I'm not going back from this career break. I'm staying here. And that's when I've just scaled. So I'm 39 now. I've got a £10 million property portfolio. I've got a diverse portfolio. So people say, what's your strategy? I've got single buy-to-lets, HMOs, semi-commercials. I've got pubs with flats on top. And today I actually, I want to change the education sort of industry a little bit. And I do feel that I'm a little bit of a trendsetter. I think I'm very authentic. I think I'm very true to myself. I wouldn't sell myself or my brand for a pound note. I've been offered a lot of money for mentorships and stuff, but I only provide value where I think I can give value. And what I do today is I let people come onto some of the building sites that we're vlogging, some of my mentees are doing, or projects of my own, and I show you what a HMO is physically in person. So you come to my building site, I show you what an RSJ is, a reinforced silver joint, or what a build over agreement is, how wide foundations are, or double skin walls, or roof struts. Like, I talk to you about the whole build, and straight after we go to a coffee shop and we network. So, like for example, in a week's time, I've got one set up, I've got 20 people coming down. I love to give full value. They've got bags, they've got pens, notepads. There's double glazing firm guys who are ready to give some of their double glazing at cost price because they're going, Sean, we love what you're about. We're ready to help some of your people. There's brokerages who come down. There are architects who come down onto the building site. So people come for a day, and I don't have a lot of time. So on that one day, I tried to give as much value as possible by showing people what they need to do, taking some content down, give them a list of works, give them a list of regulations, because I want to see people take action. I don't want people to buy my course, to buy another course, to upsell onto another course. Let's change the industry. It doesn't need to be that hardcore. Like, let's help people up. And the ones who do need extra help, yes, we're there as well. But, I want to see action takers, because I think this industry has been given a bit of a bad name as well, So that's my view on a few things.
That was the longest elevator pitch I've ever heard.
I like to be different.
Sean, you are a force. You've got such a great energy, honestly. And yeah, everything that comes out of everything that you do, just your aura, it oozes passion for. And it's really interesting actually to hear the amount of hard work and sacrifices that you had early on to get committed to where you've reached now. I can see it just kind of oozing out of you, which is really, really impressive. This is the Property Entrepreneur Summit. And I could dive into so many things that you've just said there. But from you're obviously an entrepreneurial mind, you've got that spirit in you. If there's, are you more